Hi, Kamaching and Jason. Kilala niyo ba ako? Ha? Kilala niyo ako? Ako yung hayop na iniwan niyo dun sa swimming pool na hindi niyo sinama. Magbihira, oh. Hindi, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Congratulations sa wakas. Nabawasan na naman yung life group. Isa-isang naglagasan na na. Sino kaya ang susunod? And congratulations Kamaching and Jason. Sobrang happy ako sa kung paano nag-work si Lord sa buhay ninyo. And always put God in the center of your relationship. Ayan, kasi pag nilagay niyo si Lord sa buhay ninyo, lahat yun mag-flow according dun sa plan.
Hello guys! Congratulations Irish and Jason, and thank you for this opportunity to greet these two good friends of mine. And even di ko pa na-meet si Jason in person, I know he's a good guy, and siya yung binigay ni Lord for Irish. And thank you guys. Even di kami makapunta, or even we're miles away, I still hope to see you guys soon, or maybe in the future. That's all, and congrats again, and may the Lord will always be the center of your marriage. Once again, thank you and congratulations. Bye.
Hi, I'm Carlo.
Hi, I'm Adrian.
In behalf of Batch 91, congratulations to Iris and Jason.
Best wishes.
Hello, Tol. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa ni Jason. Wish ko lang sana maging masaya kayo. Huwag kayong mag-aaway. Kay Jason, yung sasaktan si Irish siya. Mahalin mo siya. Ang higit pa sa pagmamahal namin sa kanya. Congratulations again. I love you.
Hi Irish and Jason! Congratulations and best wishes! So, married na kayo! So, enjoy your married life and your honeymoon! So, God bless! Ingat-ingat lagi! Bye-bye!
Hi Ish and Jason! Congratulations on your wedding! Wishing you guys a lifetime of love and happiness. God bless you!
Hello! Hi Kamaching! Hi Jason! Congratulations! Congratulations! Enjoy your new season! Pa-enjoy lang kayo. Level up lang ng relationship yan. And whatever happens, basta sa gitna lang lagi si Lord. And everything will be possible. Congrats! Bye-bye! Best wishes!
Hi Ish and Jason! Congratulations at best wishes sa inyong dalawa. So kahit nawala ako dyan, I'm with you in spirit, praying for both of you para maging masaya kayo forever and ever. Ang wish ko lang is sana magka-baby agad dahil time is running out. So, dapat start na niya yan mamayang gabi agad-agad. Congratulations and I'm so happy for you. Bye-bye.
Congrats, Yash and Jason, on your big day. I wish you happiness, prosperity, and good health, and a lot of kids. Sorry I can't be there on your big day, but all the love coming from my family to you guys, best wishes.
Hi Ish and Jason, congratulations! Finally, ito yung pinakakaantay nyo for a long time, and I wish you all the best. I pray na bigyan kayo ng maraming anak. Basta kaya mo Irish. Congratulations! I'll see you guys soon. Love you both.